welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes, and today we have an early review. Yes, sir. So the Jordan 11 Legend Blues. I don't know why they call them Legends, man, because the way them Jordan 1s drop Saturday, you would think those were the Legends, man. Back to the Jordan 11 Legend Blues. These dropped this Saturday. They came out, I want to say more recent. Like these, I always see this colorway. Example, I still have the highs. Yes, sir. So I still have the highs in pretty neat condition, man. Like I ain't really get to wear these. So I want to compare and let's see the differences and things. And see, just want to review it to make sure, see if y'all want to wake up Saturday morning and go for these. So let's go. Yes, sir. So the Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Blues are back this Saturday. Y'all already know if you watch the channel, I'm not a fan of all white sneakers, but these are clean, man. Clean. Sporting the same material as the 2014 version. Nothing's different. They just shaved a few pounds off the top, man, and sawed it off and just made it low top. So let's get more into the shoe. Yeah, so the Legend Blue sports an all white upper. Like I told you, nothing changed. Still shiny. So I can see my halo light on the side shining all through there. And this is where you get your Legend Blue name, as it has that soft Carolina blue around the bottom of the shoe. I mean, I don't know where you from, but we like to just call it icy white. Has that icy white material there. Your domino inside seen on almost every Jordan 11. Well, your checkerboard, different names. Right there, that's in that Carolina blue and black. And you have a white Jordan man on the bottom. And of course, I would be remiss if I don't talk about this nice Carolina line on the tongue. I always love that. Even on my highs, I always love that little piece of information there. The inside of your tongue has a tag there, and it reads, "Quality basketball product inspired by the greatest player on earth." I was thinking about Kobe Bryant. Yes, sir. Y'all know over here at Sneaker Notes, we are a fan of presentation. And even though this looks like a regular Jordan 10 box, because the 10s usually come in a box with the black and the gray, I love the little settled touch of the UNC Jordan man here. And we know how crazy people are going over a certain Jordan 1 that's similar to that color nowadays. As far as the differences, bam. The only differences you're going to find between the high that came out in 2014 and the low that's coming out this Saturday is the inside. As you can see on the lows on my left hand, that ought to look like a 23, but that's actually a 25 in there. As you can see, it's for the 25th anniversary of these sneakers. And on the highs, it just had I'm trying to get that, there you go, the Carolina blue Jordan man in the inside. Another difference, as we know, Jordan brand had a great year. I can't remember that year. Well, it had to be 2014 because the highs came out in 2014, where they was giving us these dope toe box, crease, whatever you want, shoe trees. And I want Jordan brand to make this a regular thing, like 5, 6, 7, 8s, 9s. I think every Jordan brand should come with this little plastic hard piece, man. In the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about that. Okay, real quick, for my streetwear people, Supreme dropped the spring tees last week. They had a crazy tee like this. It's a crazy tee, man. Anna Nicole. Yes, sir. And this crazy tee again. So I only brought what I like this time. Let's check it out. Bam. The yellow Anna Nicole tee. I brought it in yellow because I was like, I got so many yellow sneakers that I still haven't put on. Chunky Dunkies and a whole bunch of stuff. So I said, let me get the yellow. So boom, that's the Anna Nicole yellow Supreme tee. And bam, the Supreme Toy Pal tee. As you can see, is a whole bunch of toys that's reading Supreme. Dope in my opinion, man. I brought them, and it looked like they matched the Legend Blue. But I brought them for them Jordan 1s that will remain nameless in this video because I'm super mad about it. Now back to the Legend Blues. So my honest opinion on these guys is it's getting hot. It's a clean shoe, very dope. It's a legendary sneaker, cut low. It's getting hot outside, so you're gonna need the lows. So it's a clean shoe in my opinion, but you already know how I feel about Jordan lows. They're for women and kids. And that's why I got my little man a pair, man, because, you know, I feel like these on kids is so dope. On women, they're so dope with their ankle bracelets. But I'm not knocking a man that wants to rock this sneaker because it's a clean sneaker, man. So in the comment section below, let me know if you're looking to cop this Saturday. I think I paid $185 or $180. I got exclusive access on Sneakers app. Let me know, man. Thanks for checking in. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.